In this video, I want to show you how to schedule a restart of your Android device. This is useful because it will help your device to prevent software crashes and keep other applications from freezing, and even avoid the accumulation of temporary files that consume your RAM memory. So having an automated regular restart schedule for your Android device will always be a good practice that will help improve the health of your Android device. Doing this, your device will be restarted in the date and time that you will set up in the settings. So this process will be done automatically. Let's get started. You will need to go first into your settings. Click Settings. Then you will need to navigate until you find System. But remember, this can be in a different position depending on the version of the Android that you are using, or even on the brand of your device. Now we'll navigate through the settings until we find an option that is related to power and restart of the Android device. You can see here schedule, power on and off, and restart. So you click here. Here we have three options. The first one saying power on, the second saying power off, and the third saying scheduled restart. I will start from the bottom up to explain. Scheduled restart is to set a date, a specific date and time for your device to restart. So whenever the date and the time is right, your device will automatically restart. I like to put it in the morning and every day, so that every day my device restarts in the morning, so it's always fresh and the RAM memory is free. The other option is power off. This is to set a specific date and time that your device will always turn off. The other option is power on. This is to set a specific day and time where your device will always power on when the date and the time is right. So as you can see, the schedule restart option on the bottom here is almost like the combination of the two above. So if I click schedule restart, it gives me the option to select the time, every day when the time is 3 AM, my device will restart automatically. So whenever I wake up and pick my phone, it's always fresh and running smoothly. So we have here the option remind me when the phone restarted. So every time you pick your phone, you will see a notification that tells you your device has been restarted.